Hello, good morning. I'm Martin Pastor, owner of the Foodie Paws Kennel, and
I'm Raquel Pastor, owner of Foodie Paws Kennel.
we started ng 2023 and then first nag-bought kami ng French Bulldog na male. Tapos then eventually yung wife ko, nag-bought na rin siya ng female na French Bulldog. Then eventually, isip namin, ang cute nila, baka we can start yung French Bulldog, especially in the Philippines. Konti pa lang din nag-aalaga. And we want para at least, especially for those with family, to include yung French Bulldog sa kanila. Nakilala siya, but as mentioned, di ba, 2 years pa rin kami dun sa industriya. So, we're just starting. Eventually, yung sa story namin, di ba, nag-bought kami ng mga dogs, ng French Bulldog. Then, parang naisip namin na, kasi yung mga followers din niya, yung friends niya, nag-a-ask
We
sila.
have yung mga kapatid nila or kung meron ng mga babies or puppies.
Then, we started na yun na, to have yung kennel namin. And then, eventually, based na sa mga customers' feedback ng mga friends niya, they enjoyed it because of the quality of our French Bulldogs. 2 points lang namin, yung keep learning. Kasi we're just starting yung pagiging kennel and this is an opportunity for us to participate for this event and ask kung sino yung merong experience na mga kennel owners. At the same time, keep asking kung ano yung pwedeng gagawin kasi we want naman sa industriya ng kennel na at least gumanda yung quality of
mas
the French
makilala.
Bulldog.
Of course, we want to thank, of course, God kasi siya yung nag-provide ng mga blessings and makapag-provide ng, ang dami nila, 8 sila eh. So, in fairness naman, we could provide good food and vitamins for them. And of course, our family kasi very supportive as well as yung family din niya. Yung mga organizers here, sobrang okay nung event kasi actually first time namin na mag-join. Sobrang organized and I think mag-join pa kami sa mga susunod. We have our social media platforms at Instagram and Facebook, Foodie Paws Kennel.
And also, as mentioned, kaya pala Foodie Paws Kennel because all of our French Bulldog named mga food.
Burrito,
Burrito,
nacho, cupcake, muffin, so lahat sila food.
Waffle, sila food. So, ayun yung story naman doon. And please like and follow.